Freedom has a high cost, lives given the ultimate loss, the loss that they willingly give so their freedom can continue to live. First of all, wishing a very happy Independence Day to you all. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Mehak from Government Senior Secondary School Chinabet and I am student of class 12th. I am delivering this speech to remember the day of independence. So 15 August 2021 is very essential day of the year for our country because it marks the completion of 75 years of independence. The glory of the country should be kept up by us Indians. We might have read about the struggles of our Indian men and women to bring this country towards freedom. What we read or listen is totally incomparable to the sacrifices made. The hardship of our ancestors and country people go through for approximately 190 years. Only because of those freedom fighters, India and Indians now stands with head high. British prevailed in India for 2 centuries. At that time, Indians were like prisoners in their own country. The blood of martyr, unless India got freedom, used to haunt the country. But now, the same blood is as precious as it has been pumped in every Indian at present. As Indian citizen, we should not consider the Independence Day only for hoisting flags and distributing sweets. On this day, our national flag, Tiranga, is hoisted. The topmost band is of saffron color, indicating strength and courage of country. The white middle band indicates peace of country. And the last band is of green color, which shows fertility and auspiciousness of land. Chief ministers and governors are present to celebrate Independence Day along with citizens of state in a common ground. Independence Day is really a colorful occasion celebrated in India. On this day, parades are organized by Army at Red Road, Delhi and Kolkata. Independence Day is upheld in India so that younger generation can also know about the sacrifices of fighters to make the India better place to live. British ruler did racial discrimination, social and political oppression, execute the crowd, rebelled and many more such evils. After many sacrifices, our Indians were able to overthrow the faulty rules of Britishers outside of the country. The Day of Independence should not be granted because people forget the true meaning of celebration. Today, if we celebrate the Day of Independence, it is only because struggles, sacrifices and hardships of our fighters. Only because of them, today we are like free birds in the air. That is all I have for today. At the end of my speech, I would like to say that Indians should celebrate Day of Independence with dignity and respectable manner. Thank you and have a nice day.